In this video, we're going to talk about the LumaFusion in 2026. Let's tackle first its features. LumaFusion comes with professional quality features including a hybrid timeline featuring a combination of a track-based timeline and magnetic timeline for easy workflow, ability to create up to 6 video tracks and 6 audio tracks on older generation gadgets or 12 tracks on M-series gadgets and multicam feature to synchronize different camera angles. It comes with professional color correction using LUTs and scope, speed ramps that have unlimited keyframes to enable you to slow down and fast forward videos, and FCP XML export option to allow you to transfer projects to Final Cut Pro X on Mac. For its price and availability, it is available at a one-time cost of $29.99 with no subscription, with in-app one-time purchase options to upgrade to pro features such as multi-channel, FCP XML export, and speed control. It is available on iOS such as iPhone and iPod, with expansion to other platforms such as Android and Chrome OS, with an average rating of 4.0 plus. For its pros will definitely appreciate how amazing it works on premium devices for 4K over 120 FPS videos, its vibrant community, stability without any watermarks or advertisements, and its ability to edit complex videos offline faster than free apps like CapCut or VN. For its cons, there are some complaints about lag when dealing with 8K or large projects on mid range Android phones, lack of cloud support, and difficulty mastering keyframe editing for beginners. Support for Android phones is relatively new, but the application is slightly better polished on iOS devices. So, is it worth it? Well, definitely, since LumaFusion is still one of the best mobile editing tools in 2026 in terms of capabilities per portability. Get it if you're editing your YouTube videos or other clients' projects on iPad or even your phone. Otherwise, you can stick to free editing software. What do you think? Subscribe for more tech reviews.